So 20 minutes are there. Okay, very easy question I have given. It will hardly take 10 minutes. Okay, so your time starts now, all of you. Okay, Manha and Subhana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So whom should we send?
There is one group na, or you can send on my number also. Okay, so first just do this. Okay, and uh, okay, I will tell you where you should send. Okay,
Okay, sir.
first you should write the answer like answer 1, answer 2, answer 3 and answer 4 and properly. Don't write with pencil, write with pen, because in exam also you have to write with pen, not with pencil. And please don't go to the Google, or that one more thing is there, Google Lens. You will get all the answers on when you will do the Google Lens, but be honest. Martin, but if you are not able to, if your microphone is not working now, you can just write in the chat box. I think your internet issue is there. Okay, all the best. Okay, Martin. Now you can start. Hello, Arshia.
Hello, sir.
Uh, I'm good. And Arshia, so today is your test of reflection. So please attend the test.
Okay, sir.
Write the answers like answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, and answer 4 on your copy. And after that, I will tell you what you have to do.
Sir, I completed.
Okay. So all of you completed?
No,
Martin,
sir. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay. So I am giving 5 more minutes. Okay. Then we will start the human eye.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now leave that, and now we will discuss the human eye and the colorful world. So this is your chapter. All of you now leave that. So human eye means the eye of human. So generally we have two eyes. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very good. Arshia. Well done. So now I am starting the human eye and the colorful world. So just write down the chapter name. human eye and the colorful bird. So, and after that, write down the heading introduction. Introduction means in human eye, we will study. There are some different parts of human eye, and there is one lens also inside the human eye. Natural convex lens is present in our eye, in my eye also, in your eye also. So basically, lens is there, so there will be some refraction of light. So basically, you can say the human eye works on the uh, refraction of light, refraction of light through a convex lens, natural convex lens. Why natural? Because nature has given that lens. Nature has given eye. So just first write down this, then I will move to the main topic. Okay. Written this thing. Manha written, and okay. So now this is your eye. See here. Basically, this is your eye or human eye. You can say there are different parts here. Okay. So structure of human eye. So basically, it have different parts. So one by one we will discuss. Focus on the screen, all of you. So basically, see this region. This region. This region. Okay. This region is the cornea. Is the cornea of the eye, and this outer part of this is convex. Outer part of this is convex. So this is a cornea. So what happens? Light is coming from some object. Suppose here is your object, and from this object is light is coming like this, and this light is entering in our eyes through this cornea. First thing, this light is entering in our eyes through this cornea, and this upper part of the cornea, outer part is convex. So what happens? Some of the light uh, is conversed, or you can say refracted, because of this convex part. So this outer part behaves as a convex lens. So due to that, some of the light is refracted or conversed. Here, this is the lens, this is the eye lens, and this is cornea. In between this region is pupil. Okay, this is pupil. So what is pupil? This will be clearly understood here. We all have this, na? So this black part, black part is pupil. You can see in your eyes also. This black part is a pupil. Okay, and what happens? The size of this pupil will be changed or adjusted by this iris. This is iris and this is pupil. According to the intensity of the light coming from the object towards your eyes, the size of this pupil will be adjusted by the iris. So this is pupil and this is your iris. This, and in this region, in this region, are you getting the cursor of my mouse? Motion of the cursor of my mouse, Manha? Okay, okay, now it's fine. Otherwise, you will, if suppose I am pointing this, you will not get if the cursor is not okay. So here, and this is the eye lens. This eye lens is nothing special. Means this is the natural lens. Nothing special means this is simple. You can say a convex lens. Okay. This is the convex lens. So basically, in between this cornea and eye lens, this in this region, a liquid type material is filled, that is known as aqueous humor. Aqueous means something which is made up of water. Aqueous solution, in chemistry you have seen aqueous solution. So here is aqueous humor. That thing is some the thing is made up of water and protein and all that. So I'm not going in the biology, I'm just telling you the basic things. Okay, so aqueous humor is filled and this is made up of water, and this is the eye lens. What is the work of the eye lens? Same as that of convex lens, because convex lens converges the light, eye lens will also converges the light. What happens? From here light is coming and light enters through the cornea in the eye and enters in the pupil, and through pupil light goes to the eye lens, and this eye lens will refract the light. Okay, and after that we will see what will happen. So here is aqueous humor, and this these things are suspensory ligaments. Okay, so these suspensory ligaments are attached by the attached with eye lens. Okay, and also attached with the ciliary muscles. These are ciliary muscles. Okay, ciliary muscles, and these ciliary muscles adjust the focal length of this lens. Adjust the focal length of this lens. Okay, by changing the shape of the lens. Sometimes the ciliary muscle contracts the lens, and sometimes expands the eye lens. So if you will expand or contract the lens, the focal length of the lens will change. So basically, here in our eye, the focal length of the lens can be changed. Okay, and after that we have this interior part. Okay, this part and this part. This part is retina. Retina is just like you can say the screen of your laptop or the film of your camera. Screen of your laptop is better to say, because you all are aware with. So what is happening on the screen of your laptop? If you have a laptop, if you have a phone, then you can say phone. Images you are getting, different images. My image you are getting, this diagram image of this you are getting. So like the screen of the laptop, this retina behaves as a screen. What happens? Suppose here is one object, na? And object is a source of light. I have told you. Light enters. First light goes from this object to the eye through the cornea, and after that enters the pupil and passes from the pupil, and after that strike on this eye lens. On this after striking on eye lens, this eye lens produces the image of this object on the retina. And there is one speciality of the retina given by the nature. This retina have the light sensitive cells. This retina have the light sensitive cells. These light sensitive cells, when the image is formed on the retina, an image is in the form of light. So you can say when the light falls on the retina, these light sensitive cells, get activated, and these light sensitive cells are known as rods and cones that we will discuss later. Rods and cones gets activated, and uh, through this there is one region here. This is a nerve. This is known as optic nerve. If you know the optical fiber, like the optical fiber we have, here is Wi-Fi, here is router, and you can say nerve is like a wiring connection. So what is the work of this wire? This wire is Through this wire the electrical signals are transmitting. Okay, electrical signals are transmitting. So through this optical nerve, what happens when the light sensitive cells get activated? These light sensitive cell convert that image somehow in the electrical signals. These electrical signals are sent to our brain, your brain. Okay, my brain or your brain, because I have also eyes and you also have eyes. So sent to the brain through this optic nerve, and then what happens? Our brain processes the image, and we are able to see the image of the object. Got it? And there is one more thing here. In between this eye lens and the retina, one another liquid thing is filled, known as vitreous humor. Okay, vitreous humor. Arshia, Hamna, Manha, Martin, Abdullah, and Subhana. Got it or not?
Yes, sir, got it.
One by one, I will write the what are the functions of cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary machine. One by one, I have just given the overview. What we are just going to study here. In Okay, so first we will write the uh, uh, basic functions of all these. Okay, and after that we will discuss the working of human eye, and I have already told you how your human eye works. Okay, but we will make the notes. So are you able to draw this diagram, all of you, on your paper? Okay, so just first draw this diagram. I am just first draw this diagram. I am not saying draw exactly like this. Very good. Very good, Arshia. Just make one sphere and cut one part from the front side and make that convex and write the names accordingly. Because in exam, there can be the question, what is the structure of the human eye, where is cornea, where is retina, and all that. So first draw this diagram, then we will discuss. One by one, after this, we will write what is cornea, what is the function of cornea, what is iris, what is pupil, what is aqueous humor, what is eye lens, retina, blind spot. I have not told you this blind spot. Okay, I will. Tell you later. All of you just draw this diagram.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. This optic nerve is a connection between your eye and your brain. So, completed all of you means Arshia complete. You have to complete it. Hamna completed, and Manha, I think you have completed.
Yeah, sir, I complete.
And Martin,
Yes, sir.
have you completed this diagram?
Yeah, yes.
And Abdullah completed. Subhana completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now after this diagram, na, I'm just removing it. So after this diagram, I think there is no need to draw this, and this diagram we have, and after that write down the eyeball. What is the meaning of eyeball? There is one ball na inside this, that is eye basically. So that eyeball is, you can consider that eyeball as spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. Exactly the shape of the eyeball is not spherical, but for the study of the eye, okay, to make the easy study of the eye, we consider the eyeball as sphere. Okay, so the eyeball is approximately spherical, approximately in shape, having a diameter of 2.5 centimeter. Now first thing is cornea. Cornea, this is cornea. Okay, so here the light coming from the object enters the eye through cornea. Okay, this is your cornea na. So what is the thing, the layer, the front layer on your eye is the cornea. Okay, in the form of the layer, the cornea, you can say, is a type of a lamination. I'm not going in deep, but just so the light coming from the object enters the eye through cornea. You should know this. Okay, the outer surface of cornea is convex in shape. That's enough. That's enough. You can write in the exam this information. The light coming from the object, here some object will be in front of your eyes, na? Object cannot, if the object is back from your eye, then you cannot see. Object must be in front of your eye, and from this object light will come towards your eye, and that light enters through your eyes, enters in your eyes through this cornea, and the outer surface of the cornea is convex. Okay, bulging outward is convex. After that, what is iris? This part, iris. What is the function of iris? Iris controls the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil according to the intensity of the light entering the eye. See here, this is your iris, this is your pupil. So see the size of the iris, size of the pupil here is small as compared to here. See here the difference. Here the size of the pupil is small. Here the size of the pupil is large. Why? Because this eye is is at some place where more light is entering in the eye than the required, and here this size of the pupil is large because this eye is somewhere. You can take this eye is somewhere in uh, outside, in a region where there is sunshine. Okay, or you can say in a region where the intensity of the light is more than the required. So here your size of the pupil becomes large, and which thing controls the size of this pupil? This iris. Iris controls the size of this pupil. Okay, here iris has expand the size of the pupil. Here iris has reduced the size of the pupil according to the intensity of the light. So you can see here, iris controls the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil according to the intensity of the light entering the eye. Okay, so what you should do now here, no need to draw this diagram, no need to draw this diagram, but you should write this statement. I am highlighting it. Okay, this statement you should write, and this diagram, do not draw this diagram. Okay, you can either draw this, and for this you can draw this. See here, this here, the size of the pupil is large. Okay, and here the size of the pupil is small because here the light is more, here the light is less. So you can now write down cornea and iris. This chapter is very interesting chapter. Okay, when you have completed this part now, and this part, Irish part, till here when you have completed, so what you will do, you will draw this diagram, and you will write this statement. Then you will draw this diagram and you will write this statement.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Because we should know how the iris controls the size of the pupil. So this is the study of only human eye. If we will study the uh, eye of some animal, okay, so that thing should be different. The name is the human eye and the colorful bird. I think the name is given because first is human eye, after that the colorful bird. Means if you have a human eye, if you have eyes, then you can see the colorful bird.
So can you scroll up?
Okay, okay. After that, we will discuss what is pupil and ciliary muscle, eye lens, retina, optic nerve. One by one, we will discuss all the things. Write down fast. Don't draw this diagram. Okay, just write this only. This statement: when outside light is bright, pupil becomes small so that less light goes into the eye. And after that, draw this diagram. Done, all of you?
Done, sir.
Martin?
Yes, the answer.
Just write down fast, all of you. Okay, now I think all have completed. Should I move now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Subhana completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the cornea and iris. Now pupil. This is pupil. This black color thing is the pupil. You can check in your eyes also. So one statement I will write. Pupil this is in the middle of is in the middle of iris and it appears black because no light is reflected from it. Okay, so this is the thing na, this is the pupil. See, this is in the middle of this iris. This is iris, this is pupil. This is in the middle of iris and this is the black. And why the color of this is black? Because the light entering, all the light all the light is absorbed by this. No light is reflected by it. If this shirt, not the shirt, you can take any other example. This cap of the pen is looking of green color. Why? Because the light is coming, white light is coming, and all of the color are absorbed by this cap. Only the green color light is reflected, that is going into our eyes. That is why this cap is looking green. And if this pen is looking black. Why? Because all the light is absorbed by this pen, no light is reflected by this pen. After that we have eye lens. We all know eye lens is a convex lens. You can write here, this made up of transparent, soft and flexible material okay, so you can say being flexible. If it is flexible, means the shape of this lens can be changed. Accordingly, the focal length can be changed. Being flexible, focal length can be changed. And ciliary muscles, these ciliary muscles change the focal length of this eye lens. Okay. That's all. And you can write here one more point. It is a convex lens, a natural convex lens. Now, ciliary muscle we know that the function of ciliary muscle is to adjust the focal length of the eye lens. So basically, ciliary muscles adjust the focal length of eye lens. You can see here, this is the eye lens. The function of ciliary muscle will change the shape of the lens, and due to that, the focal length of the lens will change. So you can write here focal length of eye lens is changed by action of changed by action of ciliary muscle by changing the shape of the lens. Shape of lens. Now retina. This is your retina. This thing is your retina, and I have told you this retina behaves like the screen. Okay, so you can write it is just like screen or film of camera, and the image of object is formed on at retina. The image is formed at retina. One thing more here I want to write. This retina have light sensitive cells. This retina have light sensitive cells. Number one, rods and cones. Rods and cones means these cells are in the shape of rod and cone. We will discuss this. Okay. There is one more thing here. This thing, this blind spot. So this is the junction point of the optic nerve and the retina. This is the blind spot. This spot do not have any light sensitive cell. So if the image of the object is formed here, so you will not get any image. Means if the image is here, you are not able to see that image. Okay, because there are no light sensitive cell to carry the electric signal of that image to the brain. That is why if the image is formed at the blind spot, so that is why this is known as blind spot. Blind spot. This is the junction point. This is the junction point of optic nerve and retina. this spot do not have light sensitive cell, do not have light sensitive cells. That is why this is known as the blind spot. So you can write this thing only. Now, three things left: aqueous humor, vitreous humor, and optic nerve. So first write down this. Write down this. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. First write down this.
Sir, what
And
about the
now,
test?
yeah, I will tell you. First complete this. If you are able to make the PDF na, then it will be better. So what you should do, first write down, then I am telling all of you.
I have done, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Martin, should I scroll down?
I'm done, sir.
Have you completed this islands?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now complete this part: axillary muscle, retina, and blind spot. You can understand from the name blind spot.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. So for test, what we should do? Mm, so you have to send your solutions, but write down the names. Okay. Otherwise, I will not get. Write down the names, and you can send. It is better to send the solution in the form of PDF. Okay.
Where should we
So
send? Where should we send?
on this number, na, WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp number.
I don't have your number.
So this
Okay,
is
okay.
written now. And if you are not able to make the PDF, then you can go to the internet and check how to make a PDF. And you can take the help of your brother and sister. If you are not able to make the PDF anyhow, then you can send me the pictures.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir.
This is plus 918630830392.
So I completed. Can I leave?
And after this class means send me the solution. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
thank you, sir.